Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap West Athens local and long-distance movers near me. At 3 Movers, we know the complexity of moving your property over 100 miles from where they currently are. We provide you with dedicated and experienced professionals who ensure your relocation experience is stress-free and enjoyable. One of the major factors to look out for when choosing a moving company is pricing. Get moving estimates from several companies to compare moving rates and their services. Many movers charge according to several factors such as time, traffic conditions, and distance. A reputable moving company will send their staff for an in-house survey to ensure their quotes are accurate. There are many things to consider regarding long-distance moves, including getting the perfect mover for you, the price, and ensuring that these movers are licensed with the necessary certifications. We go over and beyond at 3 Movers to confirm your belongings are packed securely. We also go to great lengths to ensure they arrive at your destination in record time. We offer partial services by offering a self-packing option while helping you to transport your property at a subsidized rate. By employing us, you save money while guaranteeing a reliable move. Our expertise ensures we provide clients with a seamless and quality moving experience. This and many others are what you get when we help you make your relocation process feel like a breeze. Customized moving plans, packing and unpacking services, excellent loading and unloading techniques, reliable and well-maintained fleet, friendly and professional movers, and efficient storage solutions. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our West Athens moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.